Hi there guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Shay. Posible nga bang mag-lose ng weight from this size to this size? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So if interested ka nang malaman yan, make sure to keep on watching. 2023 will be over guys, and yes, mag-New Year na naman, and kung isa ka sa mga tao na nahihirapan na gawin pa din si low carb, na dapa gustong bumangon, or isa ka sa gustong magsimula kay low carb, then this video is perfect for you dahil pag-uusapan natin yung mga tips na pwede mong simulan, especially for this first week or this first day na gagawin mo si low carb. So currently guys, we are having our 15 days challenge. So I created this video for you guys para malaman ninyo kung ano ba yung importante nating gagawin this first day or this first week na sisimulan ninyo ang inyong low carb journey. Para sa mga sasabay sa ating 15 days challenge guys, disclaimer muna, make sure that you are properly guided by your doctor, or mas okay kung mga low carb doctors po, para ma-make sure natin na safe nating matatapos ang ating challenge, because I'm not a medical practitioner, I'm not a nutritionist, and I'm just sharing my very own experience when it comes to low carb and fasting. For first week ng paglo-low carb, and especially for day 1 guys, it's going to be challenging, and yes, kailangan nyo pong i-accept na magiging challenging talaga ito. So, you have to try and follow the steps na isi-share ko sa inyo, or the tips na isi-share ko sa inyo para mas maging easy ang inyong journey. For our tip number 1 guys, is we have to write your goals. So, for something na sisimulan ninyo, for something na gagawin ninyo, especially for this day 1, for this first week na gagawin ninyo si low carb way of eating or low carb life ninyo, is we have to make sure na clear kung ano yung goal natin. Example, ano ba yung goal ninyo? Pwede bang sa weight loss or pwede bang sa health goals? Maraming challenge na pagdadaanan kapag sinisimulan si low carb guys, and napakahalaga na nakikita natin yung malinaw nating goal kung bakit natin sinisimulan ng isang bagay, para ma-make sure na ma-push nating gawin and ma-push nating tapusin ang isang bagay na ginagawa natin or sinisimulan natin. So, no matter kung anong goal mo, kaya mo gagawin itong si 15 days challenge, isulat mo lang yan, and babalikan natin yan after day 15. For tip number 2 naman guys, is we have to make sure na iiwas tayo in any kind of inflammatory food, katulad ng fast food, mga inflammatory ingredients, mga junk foods, and any types of sugar, and of course, any types ng mga high carb foods. Para maging successful tayo in doing low carb journey guys, yung mga yon yung dapat nating simulan na unti-unting tanggalin. For the first week guys, yes, sobrang hirap na gawin yan. Merong dalawang klaseng tao sa mundong ito, and may mga tao na number 1, yes, kaya nilang tanggalin agad-agad from the day 1 or from the first week, pero mas maraming tao, and based on my experience, mas nagwo-work yung unti-unti mong iiwasan muna yung mga yon, para at least unti-unti din yung magiging changes, and unti-unti din yung magiging stress para sa atin sa pagsisimula ng ating journey. So, kung gusto mo na mas maging successful na gawin ang 15 days journey mo na ito, unti-unti lang nating iwasan yung pag-fast food, paglalagay ng mga sweets, and yung pag-take ng mga high-carb foods. For our tip number 3 naman guys, is we have to focus on basic foods. Ano ba yung mga basic foods ni low carb guys? We focus on any types of meats, eggs, seafoods, and green leafy vegetables. Pagdating naman sa drinks, we focus on water, apple cider vinegar, green tea, and black coffee. Any brand is okay, basta make sure na plain na black coffee, plain na green tea, and then si apple cider vinegar is dapat walang mga halong mga sugary ingredients. And syempre si water, any types of water is okay na okay din naman. So, focus lang doon sa basic. And example, if ano ba yung madalas na ulam ninyo sa bahay. Kung example niyan ay pork nilaga, tinola, or yung mga gisang gulay, mas mag-focus kayo na kainin more on yung ulam, and then mag-add kayo ng eggs. And kung hindi pa kayang bawasan ang rice, again, unti-unti lang natin na tanggalin yung mga high-carb foods katulad ni rice. For example, kung sa isang meal ay nakaka-2 rice ka, try mong 1.5. Try mong sa next meal mo ay 1 rice na lang, hanggang sa unti-unti mo na siyang mabawasan ng hindi mo namamalayan. But for our tip na ito, make sure na mag-focus tayo more on the ulam meal. Kasi hindi naman natin isang way lang ginagawa si low carb. May mga types of low carb naman tayo talaga na pupwedeng gawin. But this stage of day 1 and ating first week will be challenging kung aagad-agad nating tatanggalin lahat. So, focus lang muna kung saan ang ulam meal na meron tayo. For more basic meals na po pwede nyong itry guys, make sure to follow our Facebook, Shay Jella, dahil maglalagay tayo doon ng mga sample meals ninyo and my personal meals na po pwede ninyong sundan during our 15 days challenge guys, para at least mas maging easy ang inyong journey. And in this YouTube channel, meron tayong beginner's best na playlist na nakalagay din yung mga recipes na super the best for beginners natin na po pwede ninyong simulan. So, you can also watch those videos para mas maging stress-free ang inyong journey. Our tip number 4 naman guys is we have to practice eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full lang. When doing low carb guys, again, hindi tayo nagpapagutom. Basta low carb meal ang inyong ihahanda is make sure lang nakakain kapag gutom, and then stop na kapag busog na tayo. So, we have to listen to our body kung kailan talaga tayo gutom and kung kailan talaga tayo busog na. So, practice eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full para ma-make sure ninyo na talagang ma-enjoy ninyo ang inyong journey. Tip number 5 guys is we have to make sure na nag-electrolytes tayo. So, don't forget your electrolytes, especially this first week ng ating journey. So, bakit po ba importante ang electrolytes, SJ? So, whenever we lose weight, sumasama doon sa water natago sa ating katawan palabas ang mga minerals na importante para sa ating katawan. And number 1 doon ay si sodium or yung minerals coming from the salt. If you are a beginner, you can start adding salt para sa inyong drinks, para sa inyong food, and wag na matakot na mag-add ng salt kung nagfo-focus naman kayo properly in doing low carb po. Okay? So, meron tayong other ingredients to do electrolytes. I will do my best to flash here sa screen or sa comments, and then sa ating Facebook page para matry nyo rin to make sure na magkakaroon tayo ng complete electrolytes na mababalik sa katawan natin for potassium and also for magnesium. But if ang available pa lang ngayon ay si salt any salt, rock salt, iodized salt, or yung si pink salt, Himalayan salt, that's okay. Basta make sure na simulan na natin sa paglalagay ng salt. Wag na wag kayong matatakot kasi napaka-importante talaga nun, guys. If you are familiar about sa sinasabing keto flu, most of the time, kaya nagkakaroon ng keto flu, yung masamang pakiramdam na sinasabi while doing low carb because we are not properly taking our electrolytes. And yung iba talagang hindi nagtitake ng electrolytes. Kaya kung ano-ano yung nararamdaman, masakit yung ulo, masakit yung tiyan, nagkaka-cramps, and all. So, para properly guided tayo, guys, add salt to your drinks, sa water man yan, sa coffee, sa food, and try yung other ingredients din natin kung kaya na ninyong mabili yon. Pwede natin yung gawin para at least mas maging healthy ang inyong journey and doing low carb. So, kung posible nga ba na magkaroon ng change even in just 15 days? Yes na yes po. Basta we have to make sure na ipa-follow natin yung 5 tips na yan na ating mga nabanggit and make sure na magiging effective talaga yan and mas magiging easy ang inyong journey. So, thank you so much for watching, guys, and good luck for this 15 days and for your day 1 and for our first week. Okay, so if you have any questions and need more help, make sure na i-follow ang ating FB page. Check na ng mga free tips and recipes here sa ating YouTube channel and make sure na naka-subscribe na kayo because we are going to share more free tips and recipes na mas makakatulong sa journey mo. Always make sure to keep going, guys, and again, I will see you on my next video. Bye!